If you're worried about AI taking your job, or you're looking to switch into something that actually pays well in 2026, pay attention. I'm going to show you 7 AI jobs that are hiring right now, what they pay, and exactly how to land them without needing a computer science degree. Because while most people are sitting around scared about the future, smart people are already positioning themselves in roles that use AI instead of being replaced by it. And the window to get in early is closing fast. Let's get into it. Let's start with the highest paying one on this list. This role is pulling in around $175,000 per year on average, and total compensation can go well beyond $200,000 when you factor in bonuses and stock options. These are the people designing, building, and maintaining the systems behind modern AI. I'm talking about AI engineers. Now, this is the most technical job on the list. You need strong programming skills, an understanding of machine learning, and the ability to work with complex data. If you're starting from scratch, platforms like Coursera offer AI and machine learning certifications that can help you build these skills and make your resume stand out. But if you're willing to put in the work to learn, this is one of the most future-proof, high-paying careers you can have, and the demand is only going to increase. Every company is trying to integrate AI into their products, and they need engineers who can actually build it. But here's the problem. Most people don't have years to spend learning how to code and build machine learning models from scratch. And that's actually fine, because the next 6 jobs don't require that level of technical expertise. Some of them you can start learning today and be job ready in a few months. So if you're someone who's organized, good at communicating between teams, and can think strategically about how products should work, this next role might be perfect for you. It pays between $100,000 and $140,000 per year, and you don't need to write a single line of code. This is the AI product manager. Let me explain to you what this job does with an example. In 2023, Apple had a massive glitch in their autocorrect feature. It was screwing up people's text messages and making them look ridiculous, which led to a lot of embarrassing moments. That happened because nobody was properly managing the AI, and that's exactly what an AI product manager does. You're not building the AI and you're not coding anything. What you are doing is making sure the AI actually works the way it's supposed to. You don't need to know how to code, but you do need to think clearly, communicate well, and understand what users actually need. The work is mostly meetings, writing documents, and giving feedback on how AI features should work. Where do you actually find these jobs? Head over to Indeed and search for AI Product Manager. You'll see hundreds of openings right away. And no, this isn't some senior level tech position that requires a PhD. Is it the most exciting job on this list? Probably not. But with that kind of salary and relatively low barrier to entry, it's a solid way to get your foot in the door. Now, what if you're more of a people person? Someone who's good at reading a room, understanding what someone actually needs, and explaining complex ideas in simple terms. There's a role that pays between $80,000 and $140,000 per year in base salary, plus commissions. This is the AI sales specialist. By now you've noticed how there's a ton of money being made in the AI workspace. For example, OpenAI is signing deals worth millions to provide ChatGPT to law firms, banks, and startups. The ones that close those deals, however, aren't the engineers. It was the AI sales specialists. These are the people who explain AI, pitch it, and sell it to companies that want it, but have no idea where to start or what they actually need. You don't need to be a technical expert. You need to understand AI well enough to explain it, since companies care more about whether you can close deals or not. Now look, I get that most people don't want to get into sales because it's demanding and stressful. But if you're good at talking to people, understanding their problems, and explaining solutions, this is one of the highest paying paths in AI. Alright, so maybe sales isn't your thing, but you're detail-oriented, you're good at spotting mistakes, and you can follow instructions really well. There's a role that pays between $40 and $55 an hour, and it can go even higher in fields like healthcare and finance. And the best part is you can eventually start your own business doing this for multiple companies. This is the AI chatbot designer. Just to show why this matters, last year, Air Canada lost a court case because their chatbot gave passengers wrong flight information. People trusted it, showed up at the airport with wrong tickets, and it turned into a mess. That happened because the chatbot wasn't trained properly, and it ended up costing the airline thousands of dollars and a lot of bad press. Your job is to train the bot, prepare the right answers, and make sure it treats every client properly. You don't need any tech or design skills. You just need to be thorough and think through how conversations should flow. Now, how do you actually learn this? IBM has a free course called Building AI Chatbots Without Programming. It walks you through everything you need to know without requiring any coding experience. This is a great entry point if you want to land something quickly and start making solid money while you figure out your next move. Now, here's one that's perfect if you like working independently and you're good at troubleshooting problems. It's completely remote friendly, and you can do it from anywhere. A lot of customer support is being handled by AI now, which means fewer people are answering support tickets directly. But the people who build, train, and fix those AI systems are still needed. This is the AI support specialist. You are basically the human in the loop. When the AI gets confused, it flags the ticket to you, and you fix it so the model learns. You don't need to be a programmer, but you do need to be patient, logical, and good at figuring out why something went wrong. If you're starting from scratch, you'll want to build some foundational knowledge first. Coursera has AI and customer support related courses that can help you understand the basics and make your resume stand out. Once you've got your certification, head over to Indeed. Companies use different names for this role, so when you're searching, mix keywords like customer service, support specialist, customer support, and artificial intelligence. You'll start seeing openings pop up. This is an emerging field, so being early gives you a huge advantage. Companies are scrambling to hire people who can do this, and there aren't enough qualified candidates yet. Alright, next up is a role that's super in demand right now. If you're someone who can handle repetitive work, stay focused for long periods, and you have a strong sense of judgment about what's appropriate and what's not, this might be for you. The pay is around $40,000 to $50,000 per year. It's not the highest on this list, but it's stable, it's in demand, and it's here to stay. This is the AI Content Moderator. Your job is to catch errors, flag dangerous or inappropriate content, and make sure the AI isn't giving out terrible advice. Every time you review something, the AI gets smarter for next time. There have been a few infamous instances where an AI gave people extremely poor advice and things took a turn for the worse. If someone was monitoring it, maybe they could have been prevented. Now, I have to be honest with you. This job can be mentally draining. You're looking at flagged content all day, which often means you're seeing the worst stuff people post online. If you're dealing with any mental health challenges, this is not the job for you. It's important work, but it's tough. That said, if you can handle it, companies are desperate to hire content moderators right now. And as AI becomes more widespread, this role is only going to become more critical. And finally, there's one more role I want to mention. It's one of the newer ones on the list, and companies are paying around $135,000 a year for people who can do this well. If you're someone who's naturally curious, you like experimenting with tools, and you're good at figuring out how to get the best results from technology, this could be a great fit. You don't need a degree. You just need to understand how AI models work and how to communicate with them effectively. This is the prompt engineer. Right now, most people use AI like a basic search engine, but companies need people who can design prompts that get consistent, high-quality results every single time. Think about it. If you're a law firm using AI to draft contracts, you can't afford to have the AI to give you a different answer every time you ask the same question. You need someone who knows how to structure prompts, so the output is reliable, accurate, and useful. That's what a prompt engineer does. You're designing the inputs to get the best possible outputs. Now, the catch is, this job might be temporary. As AI gets better at understanding context, it's going to need less hand-holding. So while this is a great opportunity right now, it's probably not a long-term career, unless you're constantly evolving your skills. But if you want to get into AI quickly and start making six figures, this is one of the fastest paths. So now you know the 7 high-paying AI jobs you can do in 2026. Whether you want something non-technical, like an AI product manager, or you're ready to dive deep and become an AI engineer, there's a path for you. But once you land one of these jobs, your success is going to depend on how productive you actually are. And that's where most people struggle. So if you want to learn how you can get more things done faster using AI, watch this video next. Thanks for watching.